This set of latest technology products are gonna blow your mind. The video contains different machines and vehicles. Do watch the video till the end and get to know about all of them. Truck spade. So, the first question that might have occurred in your minds is, what is a truck spade? Well, the truck spade is actually a specialized machine for transplanting large plants, which we cannot plant with our bare hands. These large plants include large bushes and small or medium trees. And the one you are watching on the screen is a tree spade manufactured by Dutchman Industries. These truck spades by Dutchman make the largest or smallest tree transplanting jobs very easy to tackle. These truck spades have strong and strengthened blades to carry out the transplanting efficiently. Also, the makers have focused to keep the spade height short, so they can go under the canopy of the tree easily and don't face any trouble like the conventional spades. Rickwald F60. The one you are looking at the screen is one of the largest mobile machines in the world. The F60 is a conveyor bridge, which was the last one to build in a series of 5 bridges. Situated at Lusatia, a place near Central Europe, and you guys remember Eiffel Tower, so this F60 has often called horizontal Eiffel Tower of Lusatia. Strange, isn't it? Well, moving on, with a total length of 502 meters, the F60 beats the Eiffel Tower, which is 182 meters shorter. The width of 204 meters and the height of almost 80 meters emphasize its gigantic dimensions. Well, it is quite huge. We told you in the starting itself. You are watching world's largest mobile machine. And one more interesting thing about this beast is that it has 2 excavators that together were able to move a maximum of 60 meters of overburden, hence the name F60. Feedship. Feedship's Ionian is a royal shipyard, designed with full luxury and facilities. The reason this yacht has got all the facilities is the owner's desire to spend more time on this. This yacht can carry a crew of 20 members along with more transportable equipment in it. On the exterior portion, it has the signature V-cut feature on port and starboard side to the dramatic bow. It has 3 different platforms to safeguard it from flooding conditions. Along with this luxury yacht has a swimming pool with a translucent bottom and a theater screen at the end of the pool to enjoy movies with popcorn while you are enjoying the water blues, and a lot more including the cooking and the gym section. No doubt one can spend their half a life with all these facilities in a yacht. Labor. Mining is a challenging industry. It isn't easy as it seems to be. If you want to work with an experienced company in the field of mining, you are at the right place. Liebherr has a 50 years of experience in the design, support, and manufacturing of mining machinery. Liebherr mining haul trucks that you're watching on your screens right now will impress you in every aspect. It can bear payloads of up to 375 tons. It has a trusted diesel-electric drive concept that ensures truck operation under the highest level of cost effectiveness. It is the most capable ultra-class mining truck around. Kroger Nutzwaswagen. This 3-way tipper is and remains the most versatile means of transport for agricultural bulk and piece goods with an optimal price-performance ratio. Regardless of whether it is titled backwards or sideways crates of pallet transports, whether as a single vehicle or in a team, you always have the highest degree of flexibility and a stable value that hardly any other agricultural machine can offer. This 3-way tipper has a family of 14 to 24 tons. Permissible total weight offers a comprehensive selection for medium-sized and larger companies. It features a smart lock system which can be hydraulically controlled from the tractor. Baron Italy. Baron Italy's AB23SL, the largest bridge inspection unit in the world, mounted on standard trucks in the road version and on rail cars and wagons in the railway version. The Baron Bridge Inspection Unit plays a key role in ensuring maintenance and repairs. The AB units guarantee versatility of use, and they enable access to structures located both under, bridge, and overhead. The bucket, large enough to accommodate 3 persons with tools, is made of aluminum, alloy, or fiberglass, and it can reach overhead, depending on the machine model. The bucket can be used for inspection of bridge piers and road embankments also. The equipment is hydraulically operated, and rest all are governed by electric and electronic devices. Kamag Transporttechnik. When it comes to transport solution for the industry, no matter is metal processing, shipbuilding, or specialized solutions, nothing beats Kamag in reliability, efficiency, and service. The Truck Weasel is designed for the transport of semi-trailers, daily availability, high turnover rate, safe handling. Also, with different operating personnel are the standard features included in the Truck Weasel, and as the vehicle also includes numerous other features found in modern-day long-distance trucks that is highly valued by drivers and fleet managers alike. Fitted with incredible extras, such as its larger steering angle for maximum skillful movement, this giant truck is named Terminal Tractor. Scania Group. The world urgently needs to break the correlation between increasing demands for transport and increasing carbon emissions, noise, congestion, and accidents. Therefore, Scania Group is researching, developing, and promoting sustainable solutions for cleaner and safer transport of people and goods. Choosing from customized heavy trucks, buses, engines, and services, their customers can build a variety of cost-efficient, low-carbon solutions, an autonomous connected transport concept that runs on renewable biofuel. They also offer a complete range of buses and coaches and chassis, designed to meet any public transport need in any urban or rural environment. The world is changing, so is our technologies. Scania Group is the biggest live example for this. BEX HS131HR. HS131HR by BEX is a hedge cutter. According to the makers, HS131HR is one of the latest developments in mechanical hedge cutting. The machine's capacity is slightly higher than its previous model. The machine is even better at mulching, discards even less trimmed material, and has a more robust casing. This features a guide roller. This standard vertical roller makes vertical hedge cutting easier and reduces wear and tear damage to the hood. Naturally, the tops of hedges can also be cut. The extra innovations for that purpose make the cutting result of this cutter even better. It's a reliable hedge cutter similar to the previous model. The reliable hydro motors and bearing houses are also used in the new machine. A number of new properties have been added to these familiar basic elements. For instance, this machine features some hydraulic safety elements, and blade heads are even easier to maintain. Homer. Homer has been developing, producing, and selling formative agricultural technology worldwide since 1969. The company's success story began in 1974 with the first 6-row self-propelled sugar beet harvester from Alfons Homer. What we are about to see is Homer's Terrafelis 3 Evo, which is the most modern beet cleaning loader in the world. The Terrafelis has already proven itself in international use for 10 years and has been setting standards for gentle and efficient beet loading, whether it is the largest cab or the fastest automatic folding system. The Terrafelis 3 Evo offers maximum convenience. It has a total of 18 low-wear rollers with automatic reversing for perfect cleaning, also has low speed with high charging power for lower fuel consumption, and also comes with an optional water spray system up to 1,200 liters for reliable charging and uncompromising cleaning, and way much more advantages. Autonomous electric tractor. Electrification isn't just about using batteries as the power source. It's about using electrical drives to replace engines and hydraulics. Electric motors have huge torque at low speeds. They're more efficient, more reliable, and lighter. Here we are talking about this autonomous electric tractor by John Deere, which is a very compact electric drive unit with integrated attachment. The tractor has a total output of 500 kilowatts and can be equipped with either wheels or tracks. Thanks to the electric drive, there are no operating emissions and noise levels are extremely low. That means no harm to the environment as well as to your ears. Along with these features, it also has a very low maintenance cost with an impactful moving skills, and this ultra-compact design is also very easy to handle with a friendly operator control. The wheels are designed in such a manner that protects soil's quality, so no doubts that his tractor is taking the future of farming to another level. Plöger AT5105. This AT5105 tank combines the skillful movement with an unparalleled capacity. It has a short turning radius with an inner circle of 3 meters, makes it extremely good for such a high-capacity machine without damaging the soil or crops present in the fields. The weight on each wheel is very low, while the ride and comfort is incredibly amazing because of the wheel's base and its cab position. This high-capacity 5-wheel floater is introduced to complement the pre-existing 3-wheel floater. This has a power steering and mechanical drive to all 4 of its rear wheels. This one has a capacity of 25 tons and is pretty good in its field. Hope you all liked the video. You can drop your suggestions and views below in the comment section.